Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to accept a payment in Stripe. First, head over to stripe.com and log in with your account. Once you are logged in, click on Settings icon in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Payments and click on it. Here, you will find multiple options. What you need to do is select payment methods. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it does, scroll down until you find ACH Direct Debit. When you will see it, click Turn On. A configuration box will appear. Click Turn On anyway to enable it. And that's it. Your ACH Direct Debit payment method is now activated and you can start accepting payment through it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.